Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are repotting a plant. I'm outside, I know. There is an outside. I'm on my patio. So if you'd like to see my plant, why I need to repot it, all that kind of stuff, then please keep on watching. Saving this from the grocery store, and she looks a little limp right now, but she will get all happy and stuff once she's watered. I water her once a week. The reason why I need to repot her is the roots are growing out of the holes. So I need to repot her into a bigger pot. That way she doesn't get root rot, and that way also she has more room to grow. So I emptied out this big guy here, and so we're going to go ahead and repot her in that. So yes. So I've got a little bit of soil left. I'm fine if it's not full. But so I feel like that's good. Okay, now I've got to very carefully get her out. Oh yeah, her roots definitely pretty compacted. Pulling off the dead ones. Unfortunately, I can't keep her outside because there's mushrooms that are around here, and so there's mushroom spores, and I've had plants get killed out here by the mushroom spores. So I can't have her outside, unfortunately. So okay, I am gonna water her out here, and then I'm gonna let it kind of drain, and then I will bring her inside. But I am gonna water her out here. So Okay, so I'm gonna let her sit out here. You see how floppy she is? She will not be like that pretty soon. She's very dramatic. So, okay, so she is getting there. I brought her back inside because it was getting really warm. It's in the 90s, but she is sprucing up. There's my other little plants in there. So, I hope she's happy in there. I will post like an actual like photo tomorrow of what she's looking like, but I think she's going to be happy in the new pot. So, thank you so much, y'all, for hanging out with me while I repotted her. I'm trying to keep my plants alive because they make me happy, and they're like, I can't have pets, but I can have plants. So I really do try to keep them alive and stuff. And yeah, she definitely needed to go into a bigger pot. But anyway, there we go. Thank you so much for coming by to watch today's video. Oh, I did clean my patio. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, so I emptied all the pots and I swept. It looks better, but yes. Folded up my one drying rack a little bit more. I don't know how to fold that one up, so anyway, but she looks good. During the fall, I like to use the patio. It's just too hot. See how much sun is right there? No. After I moved her inside, I went ahead and cleaned my patio, so let me show you. But anyway, there we go. Y'all have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Thank you for stopping by to watch today's video. Subscribe if you would like to. I upload 7 days a week all about budget stuff, so if that sounds cool, then please subscribe. But yeah, have a safe one, y'all. I will see you tomorrow for another video.